Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Quantitative variables are essential for statistical analysis, so let us quickly identify which option represents a continuous measurement in this specific problem. Watch this problem. First, identify which options are quantitative. Options A and B describe yes or no conditions, which are categorical. We only care about numerical measurements here, so let us move on quickly. Now look at the quantitative options. C and D represent counts of bottles which are discrete. Only option E represents a measurement that can take any value in an interval. Since the amount of juice is a measurement on a continuous scale, option E is the only one that fits the definition of a continuous quantitative variable. Boom, done. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the trap of confusing counts and always find measures to check for true continuity.